My morning exercise routine is a great way to start the day. I usually wake up early and head to the park for a workout. First, I begin with some stretches. Stretching helps me loosen up and prevents muscle stiffness. I reach for the sky and touch my toes, holding each stretch for a few seconds. After stretching, I go for a jog around the park. Running gets my heart pumping, and I feel more awake. I enjoy the fresh air and the peacefulness of the morning. Then, I do some bodyweight exercises like push-ups and squats. These exercises build strength and endurance. I do several sets to challenge myself. One of my favorite exercises is yoga. Yoga helps me stay flexible and relaxed. I follow a yoga routine, and it's a peaceful way to start the day. Morning exercises have many benefits. They boost my energy, improve my mood, and keep me healthy. It's a great way to clear my mind and prepare for the day ahead.